Yo, what's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, as you can see, we've been killing GBPUSD, and you can see how much we made from GBPUSD. Let me show you what happened from here. You can see, guys, I took the trade from this point here, and my team, we took the trade from this point right here, and then I shifted my stop loss at this point just to protect the profit. But I've been waiting to keep swinging this trade, but right now, guys, seems like it's about to to give some details, because if I look at you can see that the market is at this point here, gave us like pullback. It didn't break the previous low, the previous lower low, say, and then it give us another high. You can see here, this is another high, and it comes back at this point, high. But whatever it is, guys, I just want to accompany my account, so I'm going to take my profit, and find some another trade, so as you can see how much we already made, but this is fine, it's cool. All right, so this is how I do it. I need to accompany my account. I need to take my account to another level. Then I'll start with the new. So yeah, let's first take the profit. Let's first take the profit. Let's first take the profit, and I'll find another trade. Today I feel like I just want to trade GBP. So let me check what's happening from GBP CAD. If I'm saying GBP CAD, let me see what is happening from GBP CAD. I'm saying, yeah, you can see, guys, GBP CAD, guys, is about to drop. GBP CAD is about to drop, and let's see GBP NSD as well. And GBP NSD, guys, is about to drop as well. So I prefer to take GBP NSD, because GBP NSD, it has that big spread. I like it because it has a big spread. So I'm gonna sell this one right now. I'm gonna sell this one, and once I sell this one, guys, I'm going to take my profit at this point here. I'm going to take my profit at this point here, because the reason why I'm going to sell this one, you can see here, look, this is the reason why I'm going to sell this one. It's kind of like, it's kind of like wanna break the trend line, and as soon as the market break this trend line right here, then I'll go sell, and I'll go sell all the way to this point over here. I'll go sell all the way to this point over here. So I'm expecting something like this from this pair here. So I'm going to take this opportunity now. All right, because I have confirmation candlestick right here says that the market is no longer going on an uptrend. The market is going to drop. If you know, you know. If you know, you know what I mean. This market wasn't supposed to do something like this. It was supposed to show some high. It was supposed to give us this continuation right here, pullback, but this one right here was supposed to be longer than this one. So since this one right here, it's shorter than this one, then we're expecting the market to drop on downtrend. We're expecting the market to go down. So let's do this, guys. I'm gonna set this currency right now, for sure. I'm gonna sell this currency right now, guys. This is going to drop so crazy. If what I'm saying, this is going to drop so crazy. So I'm gonna check again from investing.com if GBP doesn't have any news today. Yes, sir, it did have some news. I see it did have some news at 9 o'clock. So no any other news soon. So I'm gonna set this pair, guys. I'm gonna set this pair for sure. Before you sell the currency, always make sure, always make sure you got make sure check all the details, check everything, so that you won't be like, yo, I didn't do this, I didn't check nicely. You have to make sure you check everything nicely and then enter. Enter after checking everything nicely. So I'm taking this trade, guys. You know how we do. I'm taking this trade. I'm saying, yes, sir. I'm taking these trades. 245. I'm taking these trades. If I'm saying, I'm taking these trades. So I'm gonna find somewhere to put my stop loss. You know how we do. If you don't know how to stop loss, to put the stop loss in the market, now you're going to know how to do it. Guys, being profitable, guys, is something very, very good thing. Because you don't look at the market too much. When you look at the chart will tell you what to do. Straight up, your mindset is going to tell you what to do. Obviously, you're going to make money from this market right now, right here, right now, right here, right here, not tomorrow, right now, right here. You will see. Just wait. Hold on, guys. Wait. I want to show you the trick. I want to show you the trick. We're going to make money from this market right here and right now. If what I'm saying. So let's put the stop loss, guys. Let's put the stop loss. We're going to put the stop loss at the previous. If you don't know how to do it, we're going to put the stop loss at the previous high, which was this one. This was our higher. So we're going to put our stop loss somewhere here, this point here. So we're gonna use this number 2.0688. Now say 2 point, now say 2.0688 and modify, guys. As you can see here, guys, down. As you can see here, guys, we already put the stop loss. You can see the stop loss right here. Because I can't control the stop loss, but I'm going to control the profit. I'm not going to put the take profit, but I'm just going to be watching the profit manual, because my profit, I'm going to take it at this point. So peace out, guys. Let me see you guys soon after we get to the profit. But obvious, we're going to make the profit from this market right here, right now. Yo, gang, I said we're gonna make the profit right now, not later. So here we already make the profit, guys. As you can see here, we already in a profit. Is your boy, man. As I said, guys, look at this. So now we're expecting to move from this point here all the way to this point over here, something like that. Something like this. This is what we're expecting right now. All the way to this point here. You know what I'm saying? This is what we expecting right now. All right. So, all right, guys. I hope you learned something from this. Guys, I don't hide anything to you guys. I always make sure I show you everything, guys, how I take my trades, you know what I'm saying, how I trade. So this is how I do it, guys. I hope you learn something. Just make sure you do the right things, you know what I'm saying, on this channel. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you like the video and join free Telegram group, join the VIP group. Let's be taking these trades together in the team. So peace out, guys, you know what I'm saying. I'll see you guys later on after we make some really money, because this just still, you know, this just still a start, guys. This just still a start, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, guys, I'm already up to 80 US dollars, you know what I'm saying, in less than 5 minutes, you know what I'm saying, less than 10 minutes. Yeah, you know what I'm saying, you can see here, less than 8 minutes, you know what I'm saying. So it's not easy for sure. Don't take it easy, guys. It's not easy. You work for this, you know what I'm saying. You have to work for this. You have to work hard, you know what I'm saying. You have to work hard, you know what I'm saying, in order to be able to predict the market. You have to work hard, read the book so much, read the chart so much. For what I'm saying, you're gonna get there, guys. You're gonna get there. It's very easy when you put in the work, you know what I'm saying. So peace out, guys. Let me see you guys on the next video. So right now, guys, I'm gonna be looking for the new opportunities, because you can see now we moving to the real money, baby. You know what I'm saying, guys. We move to the real money, guys, as you can see here. Peace out.